Hold Ctrl and draw a polygon of 6 sides. Delete this node using Shape tool. Change the width to 100 mm, keeping the lock ratio active. Press Ctrl-Q to convert to curves. Select these 3 nodes using Shape tool and then go to Window Dockers, Fillet, enter radius, 90 mm. Press Apply. Select Contour tool, contour inside, 1 step, 30 mm offset. Ctrl-K to break. Select 3-point curve tool and draw a curve as shown here. Now we have to find the center point of this object. Select Freehand tool and draw a line from the corner to the midpoint. Create a copy of this line. Hold Ctrl and rotate. Hold the node and place it on the corner. Just decrease the line. Select 3-point curve tool and draw a curve as shown here. Select both the curves and group it. Place the pivot point at the intersection of those lines. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 120 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Weld these objects. Contour inside, 2 copies, 1.5 mm offset. Break, contour group apart. Ungroup objects. Delete outer object. Change color. Elliptical fountain fill to outer object, alternate black and white color. Select both the color-filled objects, remove outline and group. Place the pivot point at the intersection, hold Ctrl, and rotate to 120 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R to repeat.